Hello and good day to all. Welcome to lesson 407 in our continuing series on Indian Thats or musical scales. Today we shall be doing Thaat Bhairav. Now if you have gone through lessons 401 through 406, you would have seen that all of the thats given there, all of the scales given there are based on the major scale in the Western system or Bilawal in the Indian system. And I have shown that here we have the interval formula 1, 1 1/2, 1, 1, 1 1/2. Now the next four thats, beginning with Bhairav, they are different and we cannot use the major scale to build upon. So we are going to Bhairav first, and we would see an interval formula of 1/2, 1 1/2, half, 1 in the middle, and then we have half, 1 1/2, half. So it's fairly easy to remember the interval formula. If we remember half, 1 1/2, half, and then there is a 1 in the middle here, and we have half, 1 1/2, half again. We can also remember this thought by looking at the notes. Sa, Re is komal, Ga, Ma, Pa, Dha is komal, and then Nisa. So Re and Dha are komal notes, meaning they are flattened or half note lower, and all of the others remain Shuddh or pure notes. What's very important here is that I want to emphasize the scales as given in the Indian system, the thats, they are really not for singing. They are not ragas or rag. They are scales. So I want you to bear that in mind while doing the practice, and we shall go to the harmonium to show you exactly how this is done. So as you saw in our graphic, the interval formula for Rag Bhairav is 1/2, 1 1/2, half, 1, half, 1 1/2, half. So what does that mean on our harmonium? Let's take a look. We are going to begin again on the C note. So half, 1 1/2, half. Then we skip 1, and then we go again. Half, 1 1/2, half. So we have a scale that is somewhat symmetrical. Symmetrical in a sense. If you look at, when I do the Rag Bhairav starting on C, look at what happens. Of course, that I have broken it into two different parts there. So let's begin on the note D. Half, 1 1/2, half, 1, half, 1 1/2, half. So look at how that looks here. Again, we are seeing what the scale looks like. Half, 1 1/2, half. Then we have 1, half, 1 1/2, half. let's do B, the beginning on the note B. Half, 1.5, half, 1, half, 1.5, half. So we see a somewhat, not somewhat, but a very symmetrical scale, because as I showed in the graphic, half, 1.5, half at the front, half, 1.5, half at the back, and then we have that 1 interval in the middle. And that's Rag Bhairav. And we will build upon that in our next lesson. So thank you for viewing and have a good day.